Hi guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Ito, tuturuan ko yung mga anak ko ng multiplication table. Okay, Fiona, recite by 3 to by 9.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 4, 8, 12, 16, 30, 34, 28, 32, 36, 40, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
Very good.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 7, 40, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 8, 16, 34, 32, 40, 48, 54, 60, wait, I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I hope I'm not 8, 16, 34, 32, 40, 48, 56,
42?
48.
Ano yan? By ano yan?
8.
By 8?
Yeah, 48,
Sige.
56, 64, 72, 80, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.
Guys, thank you. Alam mo ba guys, dati hirap yung mag-multiply ng ganyan. Napakadaming turuan talaga yan. So, dugot pawis lang tayo. Fiona, Trisha, ikaw naman.
Okay. By 2.
By 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. By 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
By 4.
Okay. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
Okay, good.
I hope I said by 7.
By 5.
Okay. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Uy, baka mo ako natuturo.
Nagtotoo.
Kasi ang tagal mo eh.
Tatagal na si Ate Fiona. Okay, by 6, last. Dahil
Last.
assignment mo yung by 7, by 8, by 9. Assignment mo yun ha? Ha? Okay,
Okay, by 6.
by 6.
Oh no. Okay, by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 50. I mean 60. I still have mali. I say 50 because naghilig na ako sa by 5 ulit. Ano ba? I wanna answer it for you. You're so tagal. Okay, fine. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60.
Galing.
Make it
So, assignment mo by 7, by 8, by 9, by 10. Ikaw naman, Fiona, ang ituturo naman sa susunod is yung multiplication table. Tanungin kita, 6 times 8, 8 times 6.
8 times 6, 48.
Yan, gagamitin mo na yan. Yung tinuro ko na yan. So, tapos, ang susunod natin, yung division naman. So, kailangan memorize nyo palagi yan. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys. Gayahin nyo yan para sa mga anak nyo.
This blob is so pretty, right? Daddy, the red button. Click
There.
subscribe. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.